Hello everyone, welcome to Huazhen Fastener. This is Angie. Now we talk about the heat treatment of drywall screw. Drywall screw including quenching and tapering. Today we focus on quenching first. The purpose of quenching is to increase the drywall screw hardness. Quenching requires heating temperature 800 and 80 degrees Celsius, which is one of the most important parameters during heat treatment process. To ensure the heat treatment effect, we choose and control the heating temperature by those monitoring equipment which monitor each furnace temperature and every single step strictly. We will also supplement propane for heating protection. Because while heating, the steel part is exposed to the air. It is easily to be oxidized and decarbonized. The carbon content of the steel part surface is reduced, which impacts its surface properties. After quenching, the steel part becomes hard but vulnerable. Meanwhile, to get rid of the brittleness, it would be tapering in time. For more about tapering, please come back soon for next video.